All right, everybody, you know me, I love new products. BA has their Go Jak killer, is what I'm gonna call it, the Yellow Jak It. Very similar when it comes right down to it, does the same thing as the Go Jak does, it just does it better in my opinion. We'll start out with the handles. This is hollow, thin steel. So if you can look underneath there, it is hollow and it's thin steel. This is solid steel with a nice support ridge underneath it. So breaking this handle versus breaking the other handle is gonna be very difficult. I've Go Jacked, I don't know how many cars over the years, that was always the first thing that gave way. My second favorite thing about the Yellow Jak It versus the Go Jak is you see this bar right here? This stops the Go Jak from coming apart. When the Go Jak wears out, there's a clip right here that stops them from coming apart. You can't see it, it's inside, it's that thing right there. But when that breaks, you don't know it until you're chasing your Go Jak across the parking lot. So I like that feature because you can knowingly see that this part is not broken. They're both 1,250 pounds. My favorite part about the Yellow Jak It versus the Go Jak, the cheapest I've found a Go Jak, about $317. Yellow Jak on our website is $240. And they're free shipping because anything over 150 bucks on jbtow.com is free shipping. Another thing, Go Jaks are a one piece, well, two technically, you can separate them here. But if you bend a Go Jak frame, you basically have to buy a whole new Go Jak. So with that being said, these come apart in 3 pieces. So if you bend this piece, I can replace this piece for you. If you bend this piece or this piece, we can sell you parts for these. So both of these are steel. So nice thing is these are lighter and I have a scale to show you that. So not only do you have a better built product in my opinion, you also are lifting up considerably less weight. So they're similar in that way, but let's put one on the scale and see what the scale says. So we're on libs. This is the Go Jak. All right. So Go Jak is basically just over 40 pounds. Let's do the Yellow Jak It. Is give or take 5 pounds lighter, so 35 pounds. So you get a 5-pound weight difference. And at the end of the night, you Go Jak a good 20, 30 cars, 5 pounds is a lot. So if we have any issues handled, I can sell you parts for this locally or we can ship. So give me your opinion. I know everybody's used a Go Jak, but who wants to try the Yellow Jak It? jbtow.com. Come buy a great product from somebody that's going to treat you right. BA's been around forever. They build great products and they stand behind their products. If you ever have any problems, these are warranted by BA here in the States. You reach out to me directly and I will handle the warranty process for you. I do not leave my customers with dealing with that stuff on their own. Plus, I will be the guy selling the parts for these. So if you need a part that gets bent or you need a pedal or you need the spring or something, you reach out to me, we will sell you that part. So give the new product a chance. I know everybody's used the Go Jak. This has been the staple way to move vehicles in the repo, private impound, body shop world for years. These guys have built a great product. So if you want a great product for $240 instead of way over $300, jbtow.com, come get your Yellow Jak Its, save your money and buy a better product and deal with me, not everybody else. You call my number, I answer it. I take care of my people. That's why I call it Tow Family. So slow down, move over, you'll save a life and it's the law. And go to jbtow.com for your Yellow Jak It. All right, that's